Hey, let's go. I love dumplings, or momos. And when I heard that I was gonna get the chance to try Himalayan dumplings filled with local ingredients, how could I say no? All right, Anil, I am excited because, I don't really have dumplings a lot in my life.
Oh man, you're missing out on having a good full life.
Although their dumplings are undoubtedly delicious, pronouncing their name isn't easy.
It is Kathmandu Momocha. And more specifically, if you're just gonna refer to the actual dumplings themselves, those are just momos.
Momos?
Yeah,
Oh,
keep it real simple. We partner with a lot of local farms to get our vegetables. And so making sure that we have fresh, never frozen vegetables is key to making sure our vegan dumplings are perfect.
These look adorable.
Oh man, not only are they adorable, they are also so tasty.
Awesome.
All right,
So I'm just gonna
cheers.
pop this whole thing in my mouth? Is that how it works?
That's
okay.
exactly how it
Cheers.
works. All right.
How did you swallow that so fast?
You know, when you grow up as a Nepalese boy, you can sit down and eat 30 or 40 of these in one sitting.
That took me like 30 minutes to swallow. This guy's already talking.
Oh man, I was already ready for the next one already.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for having us here.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank
These
you.
are great. Let's see what everyone else thinks about these little vegan momos.
Get that sauce.
Very tasty.
It's actually good.
But it looks really, really good, and it tastes equally as delicious. I would say it's like a lot more flavorful than other dumplings.
Even though it's vegan, you don't miss anything.
She takes her second bite.
It tastes really fresh though.
No, it's really original. It's cool.
So you'd have no problem having your friends come and try these out.
Oh, not at all.
I definitely do that. I got you.